how to make your simple pretty. So you need this, 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 and some elastic bands, and yes, a comb, and what's this? Lipstick, and the brush, and powder, and brush. That only? Alright. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. So you need this. And like that. So have this. No more bands. Next, a big one. So you can put many like that. And comb it. Next, a butterfly one like this. Like this. There. Next, this one, the ribbon one. And then have a ribbon. And elastic. Like this. Like that. Like I'm a baby, right? Like that. So, or you can use this elastic band. Wait a minute. This. Try it and braid. And there you have braid. So go to the powder one. For no, like that. Like this, the eye bag. It's 12:54 in the morning, so I have many hours. Okay, like that. So it's super pretty. And you need this, your lip gloss or lip balm with this. It's like a paintbrush but not. And like that.
Ako din.
Wait.
Upo nga.
So you have that. If you don't like, if you don't like that, you need this. Wait. You need this, or you have this. So you have shiny one left. So that's all. So bye, and
Lipstick nga.
this is my super pretty or super pretty. So you need a powder and a comb and some lipstick or lip gloss or lip jelly. So you have it. Simple pretty one. And please subscribe at there I think there are subscribe at this. I think it's there, and like it is there. So I don't know where subscribe is there or there or, or what. And please comment box below. So comment, and you can request your